this is the Fujifilm Instax Mini 13. It's an analog instant camera. Everybody knows it. You click, you get a print. Anyway, this one features an automatic exposure, so no need nang mag-adjust. You have your built-in selfie mirror over here, and kitang-kita nyo kung yung gamit ko ngayon pang record. And it also has a close-up mode. You have your 60mm lens, and what else? This thing comes in frost blue. This one's candy pink, frost blue. There's also others like clay white. Yeah, so you have clay white, candy pink, lagoon green, forest blue, and dreamy purple. So it's got your metallic logo over here, and it's very fun, very beachy ang dating. And yeah, so andito yung off niya for those na bago sa Instax Mini. Ito yung off button, you get your on, and then ito yung close-up mode. This one, they also have a self-timer. This one goes for like around 10 seconds and 2 seconds. So, ayun. 2 seconds is perfect kung medyo nanginginig-nginig ka kapag nagsa-selfie. At least meron kang time para mag-adjust. So, let's turn it on. Okay, so ayan na siya. It is on. So, this is the viewfinder here. Dito nyo makikita yung kung ano yung magiging selfie shot nyo. So, meron tayo ditong mga 9 prints pa, I think, na pwede magawa. And, ayan siya. So, this is how you turn it on and use the Instax Mini 13. This is your off button. And that's your off button. You have your on button. Ayan, nakalabas na yung everything. So, if you want to use the close-up, ito siya. And it adjusts para pag nag-picture ka, hindi super malabo. Like, kahit nakaganyan ka lang, hawak mo lang siya, it's good. And hindi ka mawang problema. You also have your flash here. And ayun nga, pinaka-gusto ko dito na part yung automatic na siya na may adjustment for your exposure. Like, you could seamlessly use it kahit anong lighting. And this one has a self-timer. So, ayan. And then, what you would need to do is you need to push the button here para mag-pindot na, lumabas na, mag-burst na yung shot.